Hi everyone, welcome to SAP FICO World. In this class we will learn how to define tolerance groups for GL accounts and define tolerance groups for employees. What is tolerance groups? In real-time business scenario, tolerance groups allows the SAP system to process and post the transactions beyond the tolerance group's limits. Tolerances are referred as payment differences. It can be amount tolerance, percentage tolerance, and debit and credit tolerance. GL tolerance group is assigned to individual GL account master data. If tolerance group is left blank, then by default these limits are applied to the entire open item managed GL account in the company code. For define tolerance groups for GL accounts. T code OBA0. Click on New Entry. Enter the company code. Tolerance group, keep it as blank. Update the descriptive text of tolerance group. Give 0 for debit posting and percentage. Give 0 for credit posting and percentage. Click on Save button and save the configured tolerance group's details. For practicing purpose we define blank tolerance group for GL accounts. We will have separate topic on this. We will discuss it later. Next, define tolerance groups for employees. Tolerance groups for employees in SAP determines the upper limits for postings as per amount per document, amount per open item account, cash discount, payment differences. If we have 5,000 users and we have create account for every user, which takes lot of time. In order to overcome this issue, SAP has developed tolerance groups. We can define as many as tolerance groups for employees as per organizational requirements and assign with tolerance limits. The SAP system doesn't allow the postings beyond their limits. Example. I have created tolerance group A for 1,000 users with limit 1 lakh. Amount per document and amount for open item. Under this group 1,000 users can post the documents 1 lakh and below only. If they receive above 1 lakh document, they will park that document for authorization or transfer to next level employees, those who having the above 1 lakh limit. Like this we can create different groups with different limits. For create tolerance groups for employees. Enter the T code OBA4. Click on New Entry. For practice purpose, let's use same tolerance group for all company codes, so it is recommended to use blank tolerance group. Give company code. In amount per document field, enter maximum amount allowed per document. In amount per open item account field, enter maximum amount per line items. In cash discount per line item field, update the maximum cash discount allowed. For permitted payment differences, keep this field as blank. Click on Save button and save the configured tolerance group's details. Assign blank tolerance groups to user. T code is OB57. Click on Position, select your username. Keep this field as blank, because we created blank tolerance groups only. Click on Save. In this class we learnt how to define tolerance groups for GL account and employees. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.